10 cool new gadgets that will blow your mind. Welcome back to Tech Collective. We're going to count down 10 cool new gadgets that will blow your mind. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like our channel, give us a thumbs up, and make sure to press the bell icon for updates for all our latest videos. Number 10 is Samsung's Neon project. No robot walkabout this time, but it's supposedly a giant leap into the realm of super realistic cyborg bots. It is made at the Samsung Technology and Advanced Research Labs. Yes, that is Star Labs for you DC Comics fans. Is there a theme developing here? They call their creation an independent and virtual human being, an intelligent and learning video chatbot with its own unique personality, if you will. So your Neon won't be able to instantly tell you the population of Thessaloniki, Greece, but it could have a conversation with you about your dream trip to the Greek islands while appearing to be a very interested human guy or gal. They can also give you moral support with your goals to make sure you're on track. This could be cool, as long as we don't hook them up to our national defense system, that is. Number 9 is the TCL 5G Foldable Phone. TCL Communication, one of the fastest growing TV brands in the US, now wants its own slice of the phone market, and it's not afraid to push the envelope to get it. The company took the wraps off two foldable device concepts, not exactly like the one it showed at CES 2020. The first has a tri-fold display. Think about the tri-folded paper brochure you get at state parks, except replace the paper with a phone. It's one of the first designs we've seen with two separate hinge mechanisms working simultaneously, converting a 6.65-inch phone into a 10-inch tablet. I got a chance to play around with a prototype. It feels pretty rough around the edges, namely it's stiff and tough to unfold, but the device essentially went from a traditional-looking phone into an iPad-like tablet. You can also fold 1/3 of the screen away for the times you don't need all of the maximum available amount of screen space. I can easily see myself unfolding this in a coffee shop and pulling out a slim Bluetooth keyboard to type up some words instead of lugging around a laptop. Number 8 is the Charmin Rollbot. Ever imagined yourself in a situation where you're answering nature's call and have run out of toilet paper? At CES 2020, Charmin unveiled a robotic solution for such a situation. Charmin has come up with a self-balancing robot that connects to your smartphone and delivers toilet paper rolls directly to you in the toilet. For me, this is probably one of the coolest gadgets because I could count a handful of times where the robot would save the day. However, if you forgot to refill your robot, some would say you are crap out of luck. It is one of the most quirky yet innovative upcoming gadgets 2020 has seen. Number 7 is Samsung's Ballie. In a way, it's a cross between Alexa and a tiny BB-8. Now don't get too excited, Star Wars fans. It won't be fixing your computer systems or navigating your X-Wing fighter anytime soon. What the tiny ball-shaped robo can do, though, is follow you around with built-in cameras and sensors and control your smart home devices for you. So you want a small rolling companion to wake you up in the morning. Turn on the TV and get a fresh pot of coffee going. You're set. Samsung Ballie is the combination of a smart home device and a companion robot. The ball-shaped gadget by Samsung was unveiled at CES 2020 and is one of the most innovative devices on the list of new gadgets in 2020. The Samsung Ballie has been equipped with sensors and cameras to follow you around and control many smart home features at the same time. It can take photos, send you updates while you're away, and even function as your fitness assistant. Designed to be an all-around life companion, the Samsung Ballie can literally give you a run for your money. Number 6 is the Y Brush. This strange-looking toothbrush promises to clean and brush the entire mouth in just 10 seconds. As the name suggests, the device is in the form of the alphabet Y and features a mouthguard lined with nylon bristles. All you need to do is place the mouthguard in your mouth and turn on the motor. After 5 seconds, the motor will stop, and you'll have to repeat the process with the other side, thus cleaning the mouth in 10 seconds. The company is expected to price the Y Brush at $129, and it will soon be available for purchase in the market. Number 5 is the Delta Airlines Guardian Xo Exoskeleton. Sarcos, the world's leader in exoskeleton development, has developed the Sarcos Guardian XO. It's a battery-powered, full-body exoskeleton designed to boost human performance and endurance while helping you prevent injury. This robotic suit, designed to be worn by employees, does all the heavy lifting by bearing the weight of the suit and the payload. The exoskeleton may enable an employee to lift up to 200 pounds repeatedly for up to 8 hours at a time without strain or fatigue. The Guardian XO is designed for use in industries where lifting and manipulation of heavy materials or awkward objects is required and isn't easily handled by standard lift equipment. Potential uses at Delta could include handling freight at Delta cargo warehouses, moving maintenance components at Delta Tech Ops, or lifting heavy machinery and parts for ground support equipment. Number 4 is Orcan Read. Made for people with mild to low vision, reading fatigue, and reading difficulties, including dyslexia, and for anyone who spends a lot of time reading large amounts of text. Orcan Read is a first-of-its-kind handheld device with a smart camera that seamlessly reads text from any printed surface or digital screen. It enables you to enjoy the morning paper, read any book, and even read all that appears on your computer or smartphone screen. Privately read the text that you choose, improve your time studying, work more efficiently. Orcan Read is a highly sophisticated, lightweight smart camera. Using AI technology, it instantly reads any printed or digital text from books, newspapers, smartphone screens, computers, and more. It is intuitively operated with just the press of a button. Either listen via the mini speaker or the device, or through headphones, wired or Bluetooth. Orcan Read is the most efficient smart pen on the market, with speed reading and the only one with full page capture. Number 3 is Manna Drone Food Delivery Service. Manna is a drone delivery service in a box. They provide a guaranteed 3-minute delivery time to consumers in suburban or rural communities from every restaurant, convenience store, and pharmacy in their neighborhood. Manna is regulated by the relevant aviation regulatory bodies in Europe and the USA. Even before the coronavirus pandemic hit, Irish drone delivery startup Manna was set to make its mark in a big way by delivering Ben & Jerry's ice cream to students in Dublin. The startup had been going since late 2018, and Unilever to deliver Ben & Jerry's to the 30,000 students of University College Dublin starting on March 18th. Ahead of lockdown, Manna began discussions with Ireland's health service, the Health Service Executive, aka SHE. Number 2 is Bosch's futuristic, AI-powered LCD sun visor. Since the dawn of driving, there's been a constant annoyance: sun glare. Early motorists squinted and used gloved hands to block the blinding rays from the sun, at least until 95 years ago, when some genius came up with the first sun visor. Almost a century later, modern cars are of the orders of magnitude more complex and are much more capable. Yet, we still use that basic, primitive, board-on-a-hinge invention to avoid being blinded by the light. German supplier Bosch's virtual visor may just be the high-tech solution that modern drivers need to cut through the glare. Debuting at CES, the Bosch Virtual Visor features a transparent LCD screen paired with a small in-cabin RGB camera used to track the sun shining on the driver's face. Number 1 is SA1 Urban Air Taxi from Hyundai and Uber Elevate. Hyundai showed off a mock-up of its electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicle known as EVTOL during a packed press conference at the Consumer Electronics Show, CES, in Las Vegas. The automotive manufacturer turned smart mobility solutions provider is the first Uber Elevate partner with capabilities to mass-produce air taxis, which could fly as early as 2023, according to Eric Allison, head of Uber Elevate. We believe Hyundai has the potential to build Uber air vehicles at rates unseen in the current aerospace industry, producing high-quality, reliable aircraft at high volumes to drive down passenger costs per trip, Allison said. In addition to being affordable, the SAI will be safe, quiet, and passenger-centric, according to Young Chao Chi, Chief Innovation Officer at Hyundai Motor Company. Multiple small rotors allow for redundancy in case any single one fails, and are also less noisy than larger versions. The cabin is configured with 4 seats, enabling efficient boarding and eliminating the middle seat. If you like our video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't hesitate to press that bell icon for updates.